how to fix verification failed Apple ID solver problem. So let's get started. First thing first, open your mobile device and go to the settings app in it. Before starting this process, make sure to restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve many issues. Try turning off your device and turning it back on and try it again, and if this also does not work, then continue with this process. Once you are inside the settings, scroll and look for the general option available there and tap on it. Then tap on the software update and make sure your device's operating system is up to date. If there is an update or install option available, tap on it and update your iOS. Now after that, all you have to do is go back to the general settings again, and now on settings again go to the general, and inside general make sure to tap on the VPN and device management option available there. And if the VPN is toggled on, make sure to disable your VPN, because temporarily turn on your VPN can often encounter an Apple ID verification failed error. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.